Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 13th of September. This will show you how all the moves went together. If you want to know more detail about the teaching, there are links to the move teaching clips in the description below. So the four moves were a first move, a man spin, a basket and a Wurlitzer, and they went together like this. Went 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 would put us back in a position where we can go back to the first move so you could join the end of the routine back to the beginning. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.